Make a great choice today with the 2015 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fourth passenger door. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.